It's the Asian Guy Gamer. It's the Asian Guy Gamer. It's the Asian Guy Gamer Show. What up, everybody? Welcome back to day number 3 of Star Wars Lego Star Wars Advent Calendar, and we are day number 3. Now, yesterday Kyle unboxed 2 of them. I believe this is called the AAT. And this is the Super Battle Droid. Look at that. So we got 2 down.
22 to go.
22 to go. So go ahead and pop that open, Kyle.
Okay, see what we get this time.
See what we got this time.
What was that?
Oh,
we got like a turret.
Oh, we got a turret. Look at that.
I've never figured out how to do this.
Easy, man. So look real quick while Kyle's doing that, because he takes forever. Stop it, man. Make some noise. Alrighty. So this is a Lego Star Wars. You can pick them up at your local Toys R Us. And also, I believe the Lego store carries them. I got this one at Target.
I gotta see how to make it.
So it's pretty cool, man. I saw a couple YouTubers did this yesterday. I was like, hey, man, I want to do that too because I love Legos.